Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your footer bar in Microsoft Word. You would want to change the color of your footer bar to help distinguish the body of your text from the footer and to help keep things a little more organized. So let's check it out. Now, you would think if you're going to insert a footer, it would be under Insert, but oh no, it is under View. So you're going to click Header and Footer under the ruler, and you're going to click that, and they appear. There's your header, and if you go down here, there's your footer. So I'm going to go down to footer, and this is my footer. And you can, obviously customize that text any way you want it. I'm going to bold it, and I might even make it a wee bit bigger. 16 font. Boom. This is my footer. And then you're going to close the view to see that. So the check mark is off. If you look here, the check mark's on. Oops. And so you can take that back off that way as well. And then if you want to create a bar right above your footer to separate it from the rest, then you do go to Insert, then you go down to Shape, and then you're going to see a nice little line that you can insert there. So you click that, and you're going to want to go from one side of your document to the other. Get right around the edge there. And then hold Shift and you'll do a perfect line all the way across. And stop right where you want it to stop. And boom, you've got a line. And if you want to change the color of your line, you can do Format Shape if you right click it. And it'll automatically be on fill, and you don't want that. You're going to go down to line. It's the second one here. And now you can change the color, and if you want the transparency of your line, I'm going to have a nice big black line. And I'm going to hit OK, and click out, and exit that, and look at that. I have a nice footer customized with a big black line right above it. And that's how you change the color of your footer bar in Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff, and thank you very much for watching.